What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tara Deanna, and I'm back with another video, you guys. So today we got a package from High Five Partner, YouTube's partner program, and they sent me a LED YouTube lamp, and it is so nice. And they're giving this out to the first 1,000 people, plus a $15 Domino's gift card. And y'all, that definitely came in handy because I used mine the same day they gave it to me. But they give you the gift card in like the e-gift card, so it's like on the email. So yes, you guys, and I'm gonna show you it plugged in and unplugged. And I just want to give a shout out to you guys. Thank you, and I'm very appreciative of my lamp. Y'all, I'm so excited, y'all. I was jumping up and down when I seen it, because it was in my email. I was just going through my email, and I just seen it. Some said High Five Partner YouTube, and you know, anything that say YouTube, I be clicking on my email just to make sure. So yeah, then it said that treats for YouTube creators. They just want to give appreciation to you guys and want to give you a boost to keep making content. So y'all, this is just the first thing. Just imagine when they send the plaques, the gold one, the silver one, like, whew, this is just like a stepping stone. So definitely I just want to encourage y'all right now to keep doing y'all content, because it only gets better from here. And look how nice the light is. So make sure y'all give them a shout out if you guys got y'all stuff, and go see what they have on their website and get y'all treats, y'all. Bye.